Tonight, we're covering an issue you've told us about time and again at our 10 TV Listens town halls. The rising cost of property taxes is becoming a financial burden, stretching many family budgets that are already tight.
Now, last week, we told you about Delaware County's efforts to help. Now, a city in that county is looking to take relief efforts a bit further. 10 TV's Carla Rogner reports from Sunbury on the city's new plan to help taxpayers.
People in the city of Sunbury say they're increasingly concerned about their property taxes. That's why city leaders say they want to do something about it.
Oh my goodness, it's not even the same area. It was the old country little town, and now there's hardly any town left.
A lot has changed in Sunbury since Judy and Joe Lewis moved into their home nearly 40 years ago.
But we still love it here.
But as the city changes, their tax bill keeps going up.
You know, us senior citizens, we need a break.
Mayor Joe St. John hopes the new effort by Sunbury leaders to lower property taxes will help people like the Lewises.
We felt like it was important, given the strain of property taxes on our residents, that we do whatever we can to alleviate that burden immediately.
The city is working to eliminate inside millage, tax increases that are not voted on by residents but go up with inflation. Mayor St. John says this would save taxpayers about $76 for every $100,000 of the value of their home.
It accounts for about 5% of our residents' tax bill, which is more than a little bit, and we hope it will be very beneficial and hopefully start a movement where we can move off of property taxes altogether.
Mayor St. John says the city can make this work by scaling back long-term capital improvements. The tax reduction would go into effect over the next 3 years.
You know, inflationary pressures will have no impact on Sunbury as it relates to property taxes moving forward.
He hopes it will help longtime Sunbury residents afford to stay in their homes. Do you feel like that could make an impact?
Well, sure. Every little bit helps. Yes.
Right now, city staff is working on the legislation that would reduce property taxes. Then city council will vote to make it official later this year. Reporting in Sunbury, Carla Rogner, 10 TV News.